Hi, to hide photos and videos on your CMF Phone 1, firstly we will need to find and open this Google Files app. Now, if you take a close look at this Collections category, you will see Save Folder. So just tap it. And if you are doing it for the first time, you will need to create pattern or pin code. I created pattern as you may notice, and now I need to draw it. So we need to connect 5 dots, and yep, here it is. Now, to move photos or videos to this save folder, we'll need to find photo first. For example, I'm gonna move this one, tap on 3 dots, and choose move to save folder. Now draw this pattern, and now it is moved. So let's try this out again. I'm gonna move this photo as well, and this one. I'm gonna tap on 3 dots and choose move to save folder. All as usual, confirm your pattern or pin code, and now we can actually view those photos and videos, or we can go back in this Files app and tap on save folder, then unlock it, and now we can see all of our files here. If you want to hide this save folder, then tap on 3 dots and choose to hide it. And now you won't find your photos and videos, but if you tap on 3 dots and choose to show it, you will be able to find them. So that's it, how it works. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.